Hi loves, it's Ashane Shabree. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how I got this colorful wig, inspiration by the one and only Cardi B. So, enough of the talking, let's go ahead and get started. These are the Color by Brilliance ion colors that I got from Sally's, and I also have that in the link down below. I made a 613 wig, and I went ahead and shampooed the hair first just to make sure that all of the colors would stick to the hair. This is the rose color, semi-permanent. And I'm gonna go ahead, open it up, and squeeze it on in. Also, I made the mistake of adding conditioner to this hair color, which as you'll see later in the video, the pink color was kind of coming out more than I feel like it should have, although it is semi-permanent. So it will come out a tad bit. But if you want your hair to look exactly like mine, then you can go ahead and still use the conditioner. But enough of the talking, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch how I did everything, so enjoy. So here I'll kind of slow the video down so you can actually see how I'm doing the hair that's on the lace frontal. I got some of the dye and I basically just put it on my fingers and went ahead and just rubbed my fingers through the hair. Just that way I can actually see what I'm doing and not just use a brush and be getting like big lobs all on the hair and messing the lace frontal up, because ain't nobody got time for that. But anywho, so I went ahead and just kind of sectioned the hair off, and as you can see, I'm just doing it bit by bit. So if you do it this way, this will really ensure that you don't get any of that pink, purple, whatever color you're using on your lace frontal. So this was the only color that I used that was a permanent, which is the aqua color. So here you will actually have to put developer with this dye, and I went ahead and used the Ion Sensitive Scalp 20 developer. Although it says to use a 10, I just put a dab of it, so that should still be good. But if you want to follow the rules, you know, go ahead and use the 10 developer. And here is our critical part. We want to make sure that we're really using our fingers and getting the dye like as close to the roots as we can, just for that smooth transitional look. So here I'm just using my fingers, going through and making sure I got everything. So here you can kind of see what I was talking about earlier when I mentioned the pink coming out a little bit more than I would have liked, but I still love the way the wig turned out, so it's okay. And here's the lace frontal. We got a little bit of the purple, but for the most part, the roots look amazing. So that was the whole point, and looks really good. Hey loves, make sure to subscribe if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also comment if you have any useful hair tips. If you would like to see what I used to curl this hair, watch my next video, and if you want to see how I did my eye makeup, click the video below.